collection of HTML files, similar to any other files on your computer. Inside of the web browser, you'll be able to select the text, but you shouldn't be able to edit it. But what if you want to make a change? Well, that's actually very simple. If you closed your text editor earlier, reopen the HTML file that we were just editing. First, we'll type in some new text, such as the sentence, "Look what I can do." Next, we'll save over the original document by going to File, Save. Then, we'll go ahead and switch back to our web browser. And all we have to do is click the refresh button. Clicking the refresh button will tell the browser to fetch the latest version of our document. So, if we've made any changes, refreshing the page will allow us to see those new changes in our web browser. Before we finish up, here's a quick tip. When we refresh the web page, we can see the changes reflected in our web browser. As we continue to create and edit HTML documents, you'll find that we use the refresh button very frequently to see the latest changes. In the interest of saving time, it's a good idea to learn the keyboard shortcut for refreshing a web page. If you're using Internet Explorer on Windows, you'll want to press the Control key and F5 at the same time. If you're using Safari on the Mac, you'll want to press the Command key and the R key at the same time. This will refresh the browser. Using the keyboard shortcut is much faster than pointing and clicking on the browser refresh button every time. And that's it. You've made your very first web page. Making your own custom content appear in a web browser is hopefully easier than you thought it would be. Now, obviously, creating more complex websites will require more effort, but as I mentioned previously, we're going to walk through everything in full detail and take things one step at a time. In the next video in this series, we'll get a more formal introduction to HTML.